Then we step up. Give mommy kisses. Step down. Oh, what a pretty baby. Oh, good poop. A bug. Then we target. Nope, he's still eating. He can't target. He's busy. Then we target. Oh, flies right to daddy. Then we target. Target. Good boy. Oh, right to his mama's head. No, then we step up. Good boy. Then we give mama kisses. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. No, you want to fly, don't you?
He's distracted.
Give me kisses. One more kiss? No, wants to fly to daddy.